Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about principle of superposition. This you can relate with Coulomb's law. This is continuous for Coulomb's law. Just see here the definition of principle of superposition. If a number of point charges q1, q2, q3, so and so are present in a region, then the total force on any particular charge is the vector sum of forces that it experiences due to all other charges. This is called principle of superposition. So see here, if I consider for suppose q1, I want to calculate force on q1. So the force on q1 will be calculated as a sum of all other charges forces. The force by q2, q3. So if suppose q2 is having a force of f2, this is having f3, so and so f4, f5, f6. So if I want to calculate force on q1, I will write it as F equal to, that is charge on q1 equal to vector sum of all other forces. That means f2 plus f3 plus f4 plus so and so. I will be writing like that. So if I consider q2 F equal to f1 force, f1 plus f3 plus f4 plus so and so, likewise. So if I want to calculate any charge force, then it will be the vector sum of all other forces. So that is about principle of superposition. Now to make it simple, I am just considering three charges q1, q2, q3. Now I want to calculate force on q3, which is given by q1 and q2. For this I am writing an equation like this: F equal to f13 plus f23. That means by charge q1 on charge q3 by charge q2 on charge q3. This is the equation. If I want to calculate force on q2, then I can write equation like this: F equal to f12 plus f32. That means force given by charge q1 on q2 plus force given by charge q3 on q2. Likewise, you can change the equation. So now F equal to, we are already having a formula from Coulomb's law that we are substituting here. You can just open the Coulomb's law and just check it out. You can easily write this equation. Here in that equation we will be writing q1, q2. Here as we are taking q1, q3, q2, q3. So we are writing q1, q3, here q2, q3. So just check the Coulomb's law. Now if the force acting on a charge qj due to a number of other charges present in the region is, then this equation is written like this. So this is the final equation for charge qj. So this is about principle of superposition. Thank you.